Alright, this is a Yale challenge lock made by Crispy Bear. There it is. This is take two because I had a hard time opening up the first time. And hopefully it doesn't take me 15 minutes this time. Although I did have to start over. Alright, so we'll see if we can get this. Here's a deep hook. And topic your attention. And here we go. I'm curious to see what's inside this thing. It's all types of clicks. I'm thinking it's going to be all serrated type pins. So far, clicks out of 5 and 4 and 3, not 2. And 1 and 1. It's only a 5-pin lock, but it's difficult. Clicks out of 3. 2 is still loose, or springy, I should say. And then at around this point here, I'm getting feedback from some of the pins, but it's not actually feedback. It's just the core kind of flopping around in there. Because I think some pins are set to the shear line. I think that's what that is. So it's hard to tell. It's not definitive, you know. Release tension and drop something down. I think the key pins are going to be modified. So I keep oversetting things, and sometimes I get a really deep false set, and I think I get a deep false set, and I think that I'm close to opening, but I'm trapped on a really deep serration in the key pin. That's the only thing I can think of. See, now I have a really deep false set. Alright. And I'm not quite sure what is holding me up. See, I'm getting some counter rotation off of 2, but it only goes so far. And I don't want to release too much tension. I don't want to drop anything I set, which I already did. Okay, so I got a small click out of him, but something fell down. Oh, there we go. Excellent, great lock. All right, now let's see what's in here. Kind of old, like a cast. It's got one of these metal things on there. here's where the real challenge begins. Yeah. There we go. I'm kind of bending this thing up, but I don't really see a better way of taking this apart, to be honest. No. I wish I had special pliers, but I seem to spend most of my money on locks, not so much tools. Alright. Wow, I'm really doing a number on this thing. Sorry about that, but it had to be done. I don't want to take any chances. Good. All right. So it does look like there's a wow, really deep cut key pins. Wow. I think this is why I kept getting stuck, because these serrations are just so deep. Let's see if I could go like this. All right. Oh, and look at this guy here. What the hell is this? Oh, this covers the bottom. Okay, I've seen that before. Okay. And I want to be really careful with these things. Take them out just the way they were. Okay, so there's a drunken spool. So, looks like a factory spool, very deep. Another drunken spool. Wafer. Like a double spool. And lastly, that guy came out. It's like a came out like this. Incredible. Wow, look at that. And can't really tell from here, but all of the chambers up there are threaded through here. So, nicely done. And here's the plug, also threaded pretty aggressively. So that's where I was picking from. if you see this piece of warding here. So I was picking from the bottom, I was picking through these pieces, just like that. Alright, the pins are great. Wow. I think this one is my favorite. It looks like these are all handmade, very sharp edges, and I think that's what made it very difficult. And also the fact that the key pins were also serrated, like this guy here. Like I would get a few clicks out of him, 1, 2, 3 maybe, and then if I went any further, my false set would remain, and I would be trapped on here. So that happened quite a few times. Maybe with this one or this one. Oh, and this one, forget it. Look at all those serrations. And then these shorter key pins too have like this bomb cut out. Looks like some kind of bomb. Very interesting stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for the lock, Zombie Lock, and Crispy Bear. I think you did a great job on this one. Very challenging. And thanks for watching, and happy picking.